Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Unlock My TV app on your Amazon FireStick device. So this is simple and easy video for every FireStick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then click on. Now find here my Fire TV option. Once you have find my Fire TV option, then click on, then open developer option. Now scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on your remote. When you turn on apps from unknown source, a message will appear on your screen. Then select turn on. So the apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here what you have to do, you need to download downloader on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So click on search icon above the menu. Now type here downloader. Once you have typed DO, the suggestion below downloader, then click on, and here click on orange color downloader app. Now click on download. After downloading downloader, then open. When you launch downloader first time, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow, then click on OK. And here as you can see the search box, then click on search box and type here link firesticklab.com/umtv.apk. Then click on go button. Unlock My TV has been downloaded on our Amazon Fire Stick device. So the click on install button. After installing Unlock My TV app, then click on done button. And here as you can see Unlock My TV APK file. So click on delete. Now press remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Click on apps. And here as you can see Unlock My TV app. When you launch first time Unlock My TV app, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow. Click on don't show again and thanks. So you can use this method to download Unlock My TV app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.